Hey cuties! So today, hoes, I am going to be doing a lazy ass makeup look because if you guys follow my vlog channel, I do this a lot where if I just don't want to do a full face because I'm lazy, but I still want to look cute, then this is my go-to. And it's usually for the summer because it's not weighed down makeup. I'm having a hot girl summer, okay? So I want to be out there enjoying the sun, eating Starbucks, drinking Starbucks, eating and drinking Starbucks, and not spending my time doing makeup. I love makeup, don't get me wrong, but in the summer, like, I don't want to be doing that some days. I've seen a lot of these on YouTube of like quick makeup looks, no makeup, and I click it and they're like contouring their cheekbones and like defining this and like sculpting their brows and putting all this, and I'm like, how is that no make? You're wearing it's a makeup look. This is truly like a no makeup. It doesn't take me long at all. So if you guys want to see what I do to do like a no makeup, then that's this video. Not many people like my makeup videos, but some people do, so I appreciate you so much. And I haven't done one in so long, so I thought, why not throw it in there? The actual makeup application itself I'm going to keep unedited because I want to see how long it really takes, because I think it's like 10 minutes. But it could be less, could be more. Let's just see. So you guys should definitely go hit up my Snapchat, follow me on there, and if you guys want to see some cute filters, I post lovely things on there. Love you. I don't do everything the same every time, so it's just gonna be like a chill video if you guys want to watch it. So I just put like a little bit of concealer on my face and then blend that out with a beauty blender, just because I don't know, I feel like I have disgusting eye bags and I like the brightening effect of concealer. I literally just do like a dot of it and like blend it in just like that. Yeah, cool. Awesome. Now I'm not even talking and I said it was going to be unedited. I'm honestly a flop. So then the next thing I do is I just take a little powder foundation, because I feel like in the summer my makeup like melts off, because where I live, even though I live in the middle of Canada, we get as hot as California some days. Like honestly, like because I keep my Weather Network app and I have California on there. I have like Maui and all these places I would love to be at, and my city in the summer gets really warm, so I feel like my makeup like melts off, and this is just lighter. So if I just want a quick, and it doesn't take as long to apply because we're doing a lazy makeup routine, so yeah, I just like kind of dot it on, and you can like pack this on and it does have good coverage. It's the Kat Von D one. Okay, then I just do a little bit of bronzer. This one is the Becca Bronzed Bondi. I feel like when I use a lot of this, I don't know how to blend it out. I don't even know where to put it. Like, I'm such a bad makeup person. Like, I just put it there. I just do a little bit because foundation for me gives my skin color. And then, yeah, so I look like I'm alive and not dead. And then I just buff it out with the same brush like that. It's just so super quick. This is my makeup when somebody's like, hey, you want to go to the mall? And then I'm like, yeah, sure, when? And they tell me a time, and then I just play Call of Duty up until I have to go. And then I'm like, oh shit, they're coming. So I have to like quickly throw on makeup. Okay, then blush. Honestly, blush to me completely changes the makeup look, and everyone's probably gonna cringe. Well, not everyone, but most people are probably gonna cringe of my blush application because I pile that. Like, I literally look like I'm an anime character or something like that. Like, I pile blush on, and I feel like that makes my makeup, I'm delusional. I'm literally delusional. I feel like that's what makes my makeup look cute. I'm probably gonna put more on. I'm just gonna buff it out. I just think it looks adorable, so I might just look really flushed and I don't know, like I just think it looks good, whatever. I'm probably gonna put more on. Okay, then I'm gonna do just a little bit of brows. I just like to kind of comb them and keep them in place. I have my brows powder ombre, which is very similar to microblading, but I do like to just define them a little more. Like if I'm full on doing my makeup, I'll really define them and make them crazy, but just for this makeup, I kind of just make them a touch darker, so you can tell that I have an eyebrow, even though it's like no difference. Like there's like no difference at all. Love that. Well, in the summer here, we don't have many things to do. There's like a few festivals that come here. We have like Taste of Saskatchewan. I live in Saskatchewan, Canada, by the way, for people that don't know that. And it's just like a bunch of food, but I think it's kind of lame because it's the same food we have in the city anyway. Okay, then I'm just gonna put on some lashes. So I use the Duo Quick Set lash glue because we're lazy and we do not have time. And I realized I didn't bring an eyelash curler here, but that's fine. We don't need it. So I just put this on. So anyways, Taste of Saskatchewan, they set up a bunch of booths, but it's restaurants we already have in this city. So that's why I'm always very confused as to why Taste of Saskatchewan is a thing. Because you have to like buy tickets, and usually it's like they have 3 things on their menu at these booths. I'm like, why then? Why wouldn't I just go to the restaurant? But I guess it's cool to like taste different things, and you don't have to, everything's in one spot, so I can get it. I'm not like dissing it, but like that's what we have. And then we have the X, which is basically a fair, folk fest, so I've never been to. Maybe I'll check that out. But I don't know, in the summer, like I just want to be doing things, even if we have like no festivities to do. Okay, lashes probably aren't gonna work because I'm on camera. It feels like they don't work when I'm on camera. And these are the Red Cherry 202. And normally, oh my god, these are not gonna work. I love that for me. Red Cherry 202. Sorry, I'm like concentrating. Why is that thing working? Oh, there we go. And normally I would obviously put eyeshadow on. I would put liner and I would curl my lashes, but just for this look, I honestly feel like blush, powder, and lashes just make your look wonderful. So I'm also getting freckles. I don't know if you guys can see that in my face here. Like I have freckles coming through, and I think that's from tanning, so that's probably not good. So there's one kind of on. I love my aesthetic. We're like 5 minutes in and I'm pretty much done. Like this is just such a quick makeup look. So yeah, I don't know. I don't even know now what to talk about. What should I talk about? What's in summer? Oh, beaches. I want to go to a beach. Okay, there's a beach in my city. Actually, it's a little out of the city. It's called Bear Ass. And my whole life I was like, oh, Bear Ass Beach. Like, okay. Like, you know, like that was my, I love my explanations. That's just my whole thought process on Bear Ass Beach was just like, okay, it's a beach. Cool. But recently, I have been told by 2 people, like, that's a nude beach. And I'm like, what? Like, what? No way. Like, I've been there once with my friends when I was like 17 and no one was nude. I don't know. Is it a nude beach? If you guys live near me, can you let me know? See, look at this. It looks so much different, like completely transforms, and it looks like you spent hours doing your makeup. Or maybe it would look hours for you, but for me, it literally looks like I did my makeup in 5 minutes. But I did, so we are not catfishing anyone today. Ow, ow! Put this lash way too close. Oh well. See, look at that. It's like I spent hours. Bye. I feel like my lash isn't gonna stay on. Yeah, and I didn't prime anything because ain't nobody got time for that. It's just extra time that I could spend sitting in the sun. Anyways, Bear Ass, people were like, it's a nude beach. I'm like, really? Like, is it really? And then other people I tell that to, they're like, no. Like, Bear Ass is definitely not a nude beach. So I am confused. I don't know if Bear Ass is a nude beach or not. And if it is, I want to go there and show my coochie. Like, that's what I want to do. I want to lay out and be nude because I like to experience everything in life. And I want to experience laying in a nude beach. Anyway, I don't know why I'm saying this because people are like, it's not. And other people are like, it definitely is. And people, I don't know. It's called Bear Ass though, so I don't. This is a Sephora gloss. I really like this. I've been wearing this a lot lately. It just makes your lips nice and poppin' and gives you that Bratz doll effect. I like the Fenty gloss as well, but I feel like I do that because it's like got glitter in it and it's really cute. I wear that when I've got like a full ass look on. This is just a clear gloss. It's in Fresh Mint number 11. That's why it's like green. It's really cute. I don't know. It just adds a little something something. Okay, then I put mascara on. And that's it. Maybe a little bit more blush, we'll see. Mascara! Yeah, and I've been vlogging a lot on my vlog channel recently. What is that? What is that? Oh, well, we don't care about it. So if you guys want to see my summer, I'm just doing a little bit of mascara. Sometimes I'll literally just do like, I'll just take this and go dot dot with the mascara. And other times I will spike them out. Like this. That's how I do my bottom lashes. I just like spike, spike, spike. different every time. And that's about it. I don't want to spend a lot of time doing my makeup. Yeah, I was watching this one, it's like, no makeup, and she was putting on 2 sets of lashes. Like, no shade to them, but like, you're just doing a makeup look, girl, so just like, say you're doing your makeup, because you are wearing makeup. Well, I'm wearing makeup too, actually, so. Cool. That's the look. Just bonding now, or not bonding, just blending my naturals to these fake lashes so that when you turn to the side, whenever I see some lashes that aren't blended, I can see and I can tell that they're wearing fake. Well, you could probably tell that I'm wearing fake lashes here, but I just hate that look when you like turn to the side and you can like see the naturals. So yeah, that's it. So how long is that? Oh, my cat turned off my timer, so I don't know, but I have a timer gonna go up here. I guess I'm gonna have to edit one in. Yeah, that's basically it. Actually, a little bit more blush, because why not? And I put it like here, like on my under eyes. Like, what is that? I put it on my under eyes. Like, most people put it like, you smile and you put it on the apples of your cheeks. No, I'm like, hi girl, like, give me a full blush moment. We love it. And there is my no makeup. So hopefully this inspires you, because I have a few people in my life, some girls in my life, that feel like they need to do a full ass makeup look every time they do their makeup, and I'm like, just put on like lashes and powder, and they're like, no, because I have to do this and this and this. So maybe some people out there feel the same way. You could just do like half your makeup and spend no time at all and do other things for activities. I don't know. It's called bare ass because quite a few people go nude to suntan. Local summer beach. In the picture, everyone's clothed. I don't know. I'm just gonna go there and take my top off and see what happens. If I get arrested, then story time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this and it gave you some tips and maybe some help. I don't know. But look at how much I transformed just from simple little quick. I went from a 2 to a 3. You don't need makeup. If you want to wear makeup, wear it. If it makes you feel confident, whatever. I support you if you wear a full ass face and go out in the summer. I support you if you wear no makeup. If you just, whatever you wear, I love you and you look beautiful no matter what. Enjoy your summer, everyone. I hope you guys have a great day. Thumbs up on this video, maybe. Love you. Bye, guys.